Thanks for joining us at InlineSkates.net. We're going to take you through the 2012 K2 Men's Inline Skate Buying Guide. This will give you the opportunity to research feature upgrades and price comparisons, starting from the bottom and going all the way up the line. Starting out the line, the K2 Escape. Some key features: original soft boot, composite frame, stability cuff, ABEC 5 bearings, and 78mm wheels. Moving up the line, the K2 Fit 78. You're upgrading to the Tech composite frame, and you'll be upgrading to the Stability Plus cuff. The Fit 80. You'll be upgrading to the medium length die-cast aluminum frame, and you're going to move up in wheel size to 80mm wheels. The K2 Fit 84. You'll be upgrading to the die-cast aluminum 84mm frame. You're upgrading to the ILQ 7 bearing, and you're moving up in wheel size to 84mm wheels. Moving up the line to the K2 Fit 84 BOA. Here, you're upgrading to the BOA closure system. The K2 Mach 90. Here, you're going to upgrade to the VO2 aluminum frame. You're going to add speed lacing. You're upgrading to the twin cam ILQ 9 Plus bearings, and you're moving up in wheel size to 90mm wheels. The Custom Fit Mach 100. You're upgrading to the Intuition liner. You're adding the high-low frame, and you're moving up in wheel size to the 100mm wheels. The K2 Custom Fit Mach 100 BOA. Here you're upgrading to the BOA closure system. The Radical 100. Here you're upgrading to the 400 long mount frame, and you're also upgrading to the low cut Radical cuff. The K2 Radical Pro BOA. Here you're upgrading to the low cut Radical Pro cuff. You're adding the high-low Radical frame. You're upgrading to the ILQ 9 Pro bearing. You're upgrading to the BOA closure system, and you're moving up in wheel size to the 110mm wheel. Thanks for joining us at InlineSkates.net, and we hope this video will help you make an informed decision about which skate is right for you. And don't forget to check out the individual videos for each skate covered in depth on InlineSkates.net.